everyone. It's October the 10th, beautiful Friday. Time is 9:32 New York time. How is everyone? Well, we have placed a trade going north. You know, when I go for a long trade, I call it north. And right now, you just saw it was hitting about 600 bucks or so. But that may have peaked out. So again, take whatever we can and then go home. Should I continue to hold? I am optimistic, but I should have taken that 500 and and call it a day. You know, within 5 minutes we would have accomplished our target. $500 is $500. You hear me saying it all the time, right? Okay. Well, we are back up 300. Oh, we are going down and down, and let's see what happens. Is there hope there that I can salvage here? It's going to hit. Oh, I didn't put a stop loss. That's the first thing. You got to put a stop loss. So let's put a stop loss right here. And are we going to take a hit here?
Order submitted.
We'll find out. We are losing here. How much we're going to lose? Let's find out. How about I bring it? See, that's what happens. We had the opportunity to take $500 and go home, right? Let me bring it this little bit down and see that, we got to do two trades. One is I always like, one I'm always be successful, but let's see what happens. Would it give me a chance to cash the 500 and just take it easy, right? All right. I'll hold my breath like you. See if we can hit our target. I'm hoping we will. At least $500, if not 1,000. Okay. Right now we are back up again. How hopeful it looks. It's a little iffy. Is our first trade going to turn into a loss, or we will? We don't have to take a loss, right? Okay. We can. How about if we call it a little bit even here and then go back in the trade here? At least not take a hit of this $200. I think it would be a wise to close the deal just about here.
Order filled.
All right. Well, I will take a hit of $40 there, and let's see if we can. All right, we're going back in. How about we go back in to
Order filled.
Okay, we are back in. We are going north. I'm confident. Oh, it took my confidence away. Just about when I thought, okay. Well, I said two trades, right? I will not do more than two trades, but I've already done the second trade. Let me think. I like to make at least $500. Would it let me do it? Okay. I like to even up at least here. I'm confident that we can place a good trade here. We had the opportunity of $500, right? You saw it. We didn't take it. I didn't take it. And then there was opportunity to call $300. Would have been fine with me. Just took a sip of hot chocolate. So I'm contemplating. I'm looking at it that I know that my calculations are correct, but I am in a limbo here. Should I jump on it? It's going to go. It's The trade is going north, but it is kind of pushing it here. So I guess I'll wait just a tad bit more and see that if I want to go south. Now this is a perfect example. You just witnessed a perfect example that you place a trade, hoping that you will the trade will go your way, you will make a little money, and you're done with the trade. But this happens, we had the opportunity, it kicked back up again, and all right, we are going here, whatever
Order
happens,
filled.
I'll stay with it. Let's see what happens. My calculations were correct. We will make our money. I need to put a stop loss right away. Okay, let's put a stop loss here. So this will be the end of it. We lose, we
Order
lose,
submitted.
we make. That's the attitude I have. So I'm going again for that. We're going to make our money, and let's hope we are at about 230 bucks. Okay, so 170. I hope I can cash my money. I did put a stop loss here. Let me bring it a slide down here. Did I take a chance, another chance here again, or would it be a loss situation here? I should have stayed in there. I didn't, and all right. Okay, whatever I get, I am going to cash it. Is it going to make it happen? It looks like it will. It will. Well, you live by the sword, you die by the sword, right? If this gives, we had a small loss earlier, so I particularly didn't care, because when you go in with NQ, you can first trade 250, 500 loss and try to make it in a second trade. It's giving me heartburns right now, but I'm confident that it will make at least $500 here. All right. Well, we'll hang in there. We'll see. We'll tough it out. We lose. This will be the last trade. Whatever happens, I'll call it quits at this point here. Although we don't have a big loss, but two trades. I like to do one trade. You know me. I just do one trade, make my money, and I'm out. Two trade is the maximum. This is the third trade. Hopefully, I'm counting that it will give us at least $500, if not 1,000. So I'm hanging in there. It's a battle going on. We are at 260, 200. So let's see what happens. I am confident that it will give me a break. I can be wrong. It may prove me wrong right here. And so be it. I mean, that's the way it is. It is. As I said, you live by the sword, you die by the sword. You come in the market, this would be a perfect example that you will lose your hard-earned money. And am I prepared to take this hit? Today is Friday, right? Last 4 days we made money. So today if we lose, that's part of trading. How much you want to lose, that's important. Are you prepared to take that loss? I am prepared to take a loss of at least a minimum of $500. We made what, 1,000, 2,000 on average. Let's say for 4 days we made about what, at least $6,000. If you lose $500, so it's okay. I mean, not every day you eat meat, right? But I'm ready for this big meat here. I'm going to hang in there here and let's see what happens. Although, see, I told you that it is going to go up, and it has. But would it break the barrier where we could cash our money? Well, let's hope we can. It's going to happen, or it's not going to happen. I don't have a crystal ball. I have calculations. I am confident that this will yield results. But let's see. And where should be my profit target? Okay, let's put it somewhere right here. profit target. Where do I want it? Where do I want it? Okay, where are we? I placed that trade at 365, and let's say we want to make about $1,000 here. So that would be, we are at, we can make money right here. All right, let's put it right here. That would be our buys. We'll sell it right
Order
now.
submitted.
How about that? I'm counting. I'm counting my chickens. I'm looking at the eggs, and then I'm hoping that I can hatch it. It's tough. It's right now you see what's going on. This is part of trading. It's good lesson for everyone, including myself. Every time you go in the market, no matter what time it is, New York time, you come into trade. Which way it will go? Nobody has the crystal ball, because this has its own method to the madness. It depends upon a lot of factors, and not even one factor is in control. Well, for us, because once we are in the trade, what we can control is how much profit and how much loss we are prepared to take. So you have a profit marker, you have a loss marker. We'll stay within the range and be confident that you have made your calculation right and you're going to make money. Here it is going back and forth. You just saw I took a small hit in 2 trades. This is the third and final trade. No matter what happens, I've already put my stop loss there. It happens, it happens. So be it. But you know, the sun is still shining. It's a beautiful day here in Houston, Texas. The weather is cool. Temperature, what's the temperature like? Let's look into that while we are watching our trade here. I always keep an eye on the ball, so while you might think I'm distracted, I'm not. I was already stop loss in the place that if I take the hit, I take the hit. Well, today here the weatherman says that the high temperature would be 93 degrees Fahrenheit and it will go low as 68 Fahrenheit. Right now it is 89 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's what and it's a beautiful day. I just stepped out and took a deep breath. You have to do that, right? Before you start the trading day. It looks like we're going to make it, and we make it, and we make it, and it's going to be a big one. Oh, we are already there. Halfway there, halfway there. Drum roll. Should we do the drum roll? Should we be that confident? Should we be that cocky? Should we think the money is in the bank? Do you hear the money ringing? My ears are ringing. Back and forth, $500 to $700. Look at that. It's going to cash. It's going to cash up, baby. We are going to be good. Drum roll. I'm clapping. You need to get into this climbing session here. $700 and climbing. It's coming. It's getting to the target. I feel good. Well, sometimes you can drown too. The other way. We happen to have to trade. I told you I'll stop right here. I know that we can make more money. I don't know. I shouldn't say that, because it's unpredictable. Oh, it stopped us right there at what, $700, $800. I have my marker there. I am going to take it. Should we take 700 and leave? You know, we're not sitting at a casino table. This market is never going your way. You know that, right? So what's going to happen here? Should I move my stop loss a little bit closer? All right, I'll bring it a little bit closer here. I'd love to make $600. Yesterday, what we did, about almost $1,200 plus, a little bit in change. Right now, we have $600, $500. Take it and leave, or should we take our desire? Am I being greedy? Talk to me. Am I being greedy here? You know, you just saw about $600, $700, $800, right? And right now it is the sellers are clubbing us. They don't want to see that we make at least, well, we just saw again 700. There is flicker, there is hope, there is the match going on between the big boys. $700. Time to cash. Take our money and run. It will be a good day with $700. That means 5 days in a row we accomplished, right? Looks like $1,000 is within the sight. I have got my binoculars on. I see it is happening. I see it. I'm salivating. Are you too? Well, listen, I will be very happy, and I feel good when I share it with others, and I have a lot of people who have taken interest in this here. Recently, I've just started making this YouTube here so that to encourage people that they can do the same. You do your homework, you learn your basics, I am there for you. I will show you the ropes. I will show you. Then again, you have to do it yourself. I'm not going to give you any financial advice. And right now, even when I share this with you, this is no financial advice at all. This is the way I handle my trades. How would you handle your trades? It's all up to you. It's your hard-earned money, so you be better careful. You pinch your pennies together to make it a dollar. You work hard no matter what you do and whatever your profession may be. If you're a student, I highly encourage you to keep your studies continuing. I like to see master's, PhD in your hip pocket. This is something on the side. You're already making from your money from your regular profession. If this assists you, God bless you. If you're going to college, this will pay your tuition fee. You want to, whatever career you have a vacation time, don't spend all the money you make. Always, think that you never made, whatever money you make, put the 10% aside. Whichever way you want to invest it, it's up to you. I will tell you in future these YouTubes about how to sock the money away the way I do it. Again, no financial advice there would be there at all. Well, we were at $800. Now it's clubbing me. We are down to what, $200 plus a little bit in change. Don't know. We would just look at that. Look at where we are standing and where it is saying we will not take you there. If that's going to happen, it's going to happen. Did I lose this goose which I was chasing? It's going to give me a heartache here. It's telling me that this might turn into a lossy trade, and it is hitting bad. Let me tell you, it is hitting bad. Oh, we have gone from $700-800 in our pocket, and just about.
Order filled.
Oh, there you go. We lost money. Well, that's the way it goes. Didn't cash it. That's it. Boys and girls, my friends, this happens. I wanted to show you that this happens, so I got to close it right now before taking
Order
it.
canceled.
This is it. This is how you learn. Knowingly that we could have made our money. And although I was confident, I'm still cheering, and I know that I can still make more money. But in this video, I wanted to prove a point here. The money you make, don't count on it. The market will go your way. This is a lesson to be learned today. We had the money in our hand. We had the $700-800. We had $500 all the time. We hit about $800. Well, let's say we did $700. All right. Well, let's cut a little bit more. $500 in the pocket. But we didn't take it. Lesson to be learned. Take your $500 and leave the table. You're not in a casino. You're not on a casino table. This is your hard-earned money. Lesson to be learned. This is it. If you now look at the records, we had 4 days of profit, right? 1 day of loss. But this was, I wanted to make a point here. You got it? Very good. All right. God bless you all. It's Friday. The game is over for today. We'll catch up Monday, and we make whatever we make. So here is a target for all of us. Next week, every day, whatever we make, we'll take our money and leave the table. So 5 days of success we have to have next week. I've proven, I've shown you that this is doable. If I can do it, you can do it. We all can make it. And you're not dipping in my pocket, and I'm not dipping in your pocket. It's a huge economy. Learn it your way. I share with you what I know, and we all will be successful. All right, enough of that. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful, blessed day and a beautiful weekend from for you all. Ciao.